Hello, my name is Paul Zayas, and I am the Senior Marketing Analyst for Azaleas Americas. Today we'll briefly cover the topic of sustainability. So jumping right into it, consumers look for products with sustainability stories. The more a product can relate to an individual lifestyle, the better. We want to feel a connection between ourselves and the companies and brands we choose to bring into our lives. We all know corporations have to first satisfy their true customer, investors. Thankfully, major corporations are seeing the impact of their operations and have taken steps to ensure natural resources are preserved for future generations. So quickly looking at Unilever, they want to be carbon positive by 2030. In addition to this, they want to reduce their environmental impact by 50%. And a big part of that is sustainable sourcing. Unilever understands that sustainable strategies, and I quote, opens up new markets and allows brands to connect with consumers in different ways to meet their changing needs. Unilever is well aware that sustainability is not only better for our planet, but it is a profitable strategy to pursue. Taking a quick look at P&G, they look to change things fairly quickly. They are implementing sustainable strategies that will come to fruition by 2020, well, at least that's the goal. Some of their main goals include powering all their plants with 100% renewable energy, using 100% renewable or recycled materials for all their products and packaging, having zero consumer and manufacturing waste go to landfills, and also designing products that delight consumers while maximizing the conservation of resources. So we switch it over to L'Oreal, just so you have an understanding what they're doing. L'Oreal wants to decrease their carbon footprint along with ensuring their entire production line has an improved environmental or social profile by 2020. This includes reducing the environmental impact of their formulas. That's where we come in. They are counting on suppliers to offer ingredients that help them reach their sustainability goals. So that's huge. Sustainability is here to stay and has become increasingly important for companies. Consumers are becoming well aware of the world they live in and the environmental impact they are having on the planet. Going back to Unilever, they understand consumers are demanding responsible businesses and responsible brands. They've noticed that brands whose purpose and products respond to that demand, which they're calling sustainable living brands, are delivering stronger and faster growth. They have seen that those sustainable living brands account for half the company's growth in 2014 and grew at twice the rate of the rest of the business. That's huge. So where are companies focusing their product launches with sustainability claims? As you can see from the chart, face and neck care has been the major focus for product launches. This makes sense. The majority of skincare launches are face and neck. Sustainability is just the beginning of a product story. Companies are using multiple natural claims to ensure their product message gets across so that consumers feel the connection with that product and their lifestyle. Consumers are demanding eco-friendly products not only for their personal care routines, but also in all aspects of their lives. According to a Cosmetic Executive Women's report, 42% of North American consumers will buy socially responsible brands. That's almost half the population, and you just can't ignore that large target market. If you were to even dwindle that down even smaller, the same report indicates 60% of millennials use food ingredients to make their own homemade treatments because they feel it's a more natural option than what they can find in the store. We're going to quickly look at 3 products with very different sustainability stories. The first up is Goop, an enriching face oil. Goop is made by Juice Beauty in California. Juice Beauty purchases many of their ingredients from California organic farmers and adheres to 10 eco values that range from creating products that are free from, which you can see, buying locally, which I've already mentioned, using recycled materials for packaging, and having solar-powered manufacturing. They also adhere to the COPA, which is the California Organic Products Act. This act ensures that all organic products sold in California use terminology that is similar to terminology set in the Organic Products Act of 1990. Kiehl's may not be as organic heavy as Juice Beauty, but they have their own story to tell. They focus on giving back and offer a recycle and be rewarded program. Looking at this particular product, it focuses on sustainable farming. Kiehl has a program set up in Bolivia which ensures conservation of resources and helps Bolivian farmers stay competitive in the potato and quinoa markets. Now, let's take a look at Vogue International. This company was just acquired by J&J for $3.3 billion, so they must be doing something right. Vogue focuses on using sustainable packaging and creating products with natural and exotic ingredients. They do not indicate much else when it comes to sustainability strategies, but they make sure to add other freeform claims to help boost their story. So, what can we do for you? The next 3 ingredients will help you create your sustainability story. Polyaldo 1010-KFG non-GMO is a highly compatible oil and water emulsifier. It's based off renewable raw materials of 100% vegetable origin. It is particularly suited for mild rinse-off formulations such as children's shampoos, facial cleansers, and shower gels. Its multifunctionality, EcoCert certification, and Soil Association approval make this product a great choice for green and peg-free formulations. Up next is Tego Turmeric, the golden spice of India. Tego Turmeric decreases the wrinkle depth and is ideal for the improvement of skin radiance and evenness of skin tone. Skin turmeric is purified turmeric oil with improved color and odor. It has an environmentally friendly supercritical CO2 extraction process which is solvent-free. Tego Turmeric is a great place to start in creating your sustainability story. Last but not least is Jaguar Optima, a cationic polymer derived from a natural gum. Jaguar Optima can be used alone as a soul conditioning agent for silicone-free shampoos to deliver excellent wet and dry hair conditioning benefits without weighing the hair down. In addition to being sulfate-free, it is silicone-free, paraben-free, salt-free, preservative and additive-free, and even gluten-free. Jaguar Optima delivers excellent flash foam, excellent foam volume, and smooth lathering. Jaguar Optima is another amazing ingredient to add to your sustainability story. Thank you for listening. I'm Paul Zayas, and I hope we can work with you on your next formulation in creating its sustainability story. Take care.